Oh, totoo. It's really my dream na yung sometimes maganda yung, uy, si Ramsey na disgrasya kagabisan, pinagtulungan ng 5. Ganda pakinggan eh. You know, I make a joke with Justice Porfirio Season. His Justice is a good friend of mine. He used to put me in show with those children in Ilocos, no father and no mother, you know, in Pangasinan. He used to bring me there, and he makes money for me. In this kind of beauty, he makes money, you know what I mean? Bakit? Diskumpiyado ka? Hindi ka rito. Okay. Ganito yung mga kaibigan. Nag-jokes, because he's going to, yung ikakasal yung anak ko, ladies and gentlemen, please, I cannot speak English all the way because my English is very limited company. I only bring little from California, so it's